Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas Day 1. Hello, my name is Casey. I am a college student here in New York City, and today is Sunday, December 1st, and it is the first day of Vlogmas. So this is my first time doing Vlogmas ever, and I am so excited, so hyped, and so joyful. Like, the holiday season just makes everybody so happy, and I'm just so happy. But I will be putting out new vlogs for you guys every single day, 25 days until Christmas. I'll try to. Once finals comes, it might get a little rocky, but I'll try my best to put out new videos for you all every single day until Christmas. And so right now, such an interesting day. Not really. Today is my catch-up day, which means doing all the homework I told myself I was going to do during Thanksgiving break but did not get to. So I have my English homework, I have my coffee, and I'm ready to grind for a few hours. So see you guys on the flip. Hi guys, so I am still doing homework, but my roommate Kat just got home, so I'm not lonely anymore. And that's a vegan cinnamon bun that me and Rachel made yesterday. How is it?
Really good.
Yay!
Oh my God, my hair.
Stop, you look fine. It hasn't snowed yet, and I'm really disappointed. It's actually like, is it raining outside?
It's like sleeting.
It's sleeting outside, but it's not snow, and I want snow. I feel like a little kid, but but yeah, I'm still doing homework, so yeah. Guys, it's not even snowing yet. I'm still so upset. But I have to do this assignment for English class. I have to watch this movie. It's called Race, The Power of Illusion. Should be interesting, and then I have to like do a whole workshop on it and like write about it. But yeah, me and Kat are just doing homework. Productive, smart girls. And yeah, sorry if this vlog is so boring. It's just a Sunday like homework day, but Vlogmas Day 1, so yeah. So for a snack during the movie, I made myself some cucumbers with everything but the bagel seasoning. Yum! Lunch, cutting season.
Stop taking videos of me. I look so bad. Stop.
Guys, there's some snow outside, but it's not fully snowing yet. Oh my gosh. She needs a breather. I need a breather. Honestly, this film I'm watching, I like cried, I've gotten very angry. It's just an emotional roller coaster. But, oh my God, it is snow. I'm going outside. I'm going outside. I'm going outside. Come outside with me.
Into the snow?
Yeah.
I have enough snow at home.
She's from Pennsylvania, so she gets snow, but come outside with me.
Alright.
Yay! Oh my gosh. Oh wait, it's not. Oh wait, no it's not.
I told you it was just raining.
I'm embarrassed. It's raining.
I told her.
I thought it was snow, but it's rain.
It's actually probably hail if it's halfway in between. It's hail.
I'm disappointed.
Consensus, it's hail. It's hail.
I was so excited. Fuck.
It's not gonna snow here.
It's not snowing in New York, but it's snowing in Jersey.
Yeah, it's snowing in Jersey and Pennsylvania right now.
Why hasn't it hit? It hasn't hit New York yet. But okay, back to this tragic historical movie. So interesting. Yummy in the tummy. Third roommate is back, Becky.
Hi.
And she brought Christmas decor. Love this. Guys, our apartment is so much cuter thanks to Becky. She brought a bunch of Christmas things. We still have to get the tree.
And I think Fiona's bringing more stuff too.
Oh my gosh.
I love Christmas!
We love Christmas. I'm so excited for when we get the tree. We are just such in the holiday spirit, right, Bex? I'm gonna order these. They're so cute.
And then we can all pick one and then we can put little treats in everybody's stocking for Christmas.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm just gonna be doing homework for the rest of the night. But I hope you enjoyed my productive and lazy Sunday in, and day one of Vlogmas is done, and get ready for more Christmassy, more Vlogmas vlogs, and I'm just so excited to put out more content for you all. So like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next vlog.